Hello learners, in today's class, as per the session we have decided for you, today we are going to discuss about system of linear equations. And before going through the details of this terminology, system of linear equations, let me allow to share with you that what is the concept of equation. There are some terms. First is equation, then linear equation, then system of equations. So I hope that you have listened that term equation, or you know how to define the term equation, and some of them have been before you during the solution of numerical problems. So without any additional discussion on this topic, first of all, let us write that what is the meaning of the term equation. You know, this term equation is very much popular because in chemistry there is chemical equation. In election in our country, there is equation of caste, creed and religion by the politician, and then they used to get their targeted result by using this term equation. So what is the meaning of the term equation? At this level, when you are learning graduation mathematics, you are learning algebra, then anyone can expect that you know that what is the fundamental concept of the term equation. So please let us write a statement of equality, a statement of equality by the virtue of which, a statement of equality by the virtue of which the value or values of a known quantity may be determined is said to form an equation. You can ask me that, sir, what is the actual meaning of the sentences you have used? So for that, I am writing here x plus 5 is equal to 0. I am writing this x plus 5 is equal to 0. You say this is a statement of equality. Here is sign of equality. This is a statement of equality. And by virtue of this equality sign, it is possible for you to find that what is the value of this x. This is equal to minus 5. So this is what? This is what? This is an equation. And here the variable is what? X. And its power is what? Its power is 1. So we say that this is linear equation. We shall be discussing the types of equation in the next lecture. So you see here, this is a linear equation, means the power of variable is 1. And you know that I have already discussed with you that what is the meaning of the term equation. So I am repeating the same. A statement of equality by virtue of which the value or values of unknown quantity may be determined So you can ask me that, sir, you have told us that Bailu or Bailuj. You see here the power of x is 1, so the value of x is equal to -5. Suppose you are writing x square minus 25, x square minus 25 is equal to 0. You see here. Then you know here x will have two values. One is -5 and another is +5. So here are what? Values means more than one value. So it depends on the power, or it depends on the index of the variable or unknown quantity, that how many values or value you are going to find. But the statement of equality is also existing here. You see here is sign of equality, here is sign of equality, here is sign of equality. So again I am repeating that what do you mean by equation? A statement of equality by virtue of which value or values of unknown quantity may be determined. Now another question here arises, that here your school teachers have already taught you that there are three variables existing till today in your algebra. They are what? These are three variables x, y, z. What about if you are writing a plus 5 is equal to 0? In spite of x plus 5, we are writing a plus 5 is equal to 0. So tell me whether a plus 5 is an equation? Yes, this is also an equation. And here unknown quantity is what? Here unknown quantity is a, and its value is what? -5. This is another thing that we can say that this symbol a is a constant. This is another aspect. This is another aspect, that here symbol a is a constant. It is not variable. So I hope you have understood, you have got it, that what is the meaning of the term equation. Equation is basically a statement of equality by virtue of which learners, you may be able to find the value or values of unknown quantity. That quantity may be constant, or that quantity may be variables. So this is the very basic of equation. And you know, in your other aspect, in differential calculus or in calculus, you can go through differential equations. You can see so many equations in your physics, in your chemistry. And without equation, it is not possible to get the solution of any hypothesis. If you are going to, do any research, if you are doing any research in your future, you have to find the value of unknown quantity in that context also. So I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Thank you very much for listening and enjoying this lecture. Thanks you all again.